So here I am. I just poured some more leveling compound down. As you can see here, it's leveling out on its own. And I just poured this out, and I'm going to work on this too. So basically you put it out, then you level it. See here, there's a lot here because I just poured it. So we're going to take some from there. We're going to move it over. So I got to work with two hands. So that's where I'm at, guys. Now let me show you, the grout is on and I just wiped it off. So take a look at how beautiful it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Now I have to wipe it off again with clean water. I gave the whole wall one wipe. I gotta take a break because I haven't stopped for about 2 hours. I know it's hard to see with the sunlight coming out.